To sign vegan in British Sign Language, extend your index finger and middle finger on your dominant hand to form this V shape. Then tap the index finger on your chin twice. Vegan. To sign I am vegan, first sign vegan and then point to yourself. Vegan, me. To sign are you vegan, start with the word vegan, vegan, and then point to the person that you're asking. Remember, tilt your head and raise your eyebrows at the same time so that they know you're asking a question. To sign I'm trying to be vegan for January, we need to reorder the sentence slightly. So start with vegan, vegan, then me. Try is your index finger extended on both hands and then brush your dominant index finger against the other index finger. Try. And then January is finger spelling J-A-N. January. Your lip pattern should be January as you finger spell J-A-N. Together, vegan, me, try, January.